and I'm going to be talking about how stress affects the mind and the body. Let's kind of start off about what exactly stress is. According to Merriam-Webster's dictionary, the textbook definition is a state of mental or emotional strain or tension resulting from adverse or very demanding circumstances. So basically, when you're in a stressful situation, it's a natural and physical mental reaction of certain situations that you're in. So certain examples of that would be being late for work, maybe deadlines with college classes, or even relationships. So how exactly does stress occur? So there's a part of your brain called the hypothalamus, and that is where your glands release adrenaline and cortisol, which are the two main hormones that are resulted with stress. This is typically called your fight or flight response when it occurs. Stress can actually be considered beneficial when it comes to when you're stressed because it's kind of a protectant over your body, preventing you from a very stressful situation. Although it can be a protector of your body, it can also be very bad and can cause serious risk to your human body. So first off, we're going to talk about the physical effects that mental health due to stress. So an author named Timothy J. Legg, who is a geriatric and pediatric mental health nurse, talked about how there are physical effects when it comes to your digestive system, your cardiovascular system, and your immune system. So basically, when stress occurs, you have a weakened immune system due to rapid breathing or even just stress and anxiety. You can also have high blood pressure or even cardiovascular problems. You can have a risk of heart attack or heart disease. Not only that, digestive problems occur. You can have weight loss or gain. You can even have exhaustion and fatigue. So not only does physical stress prominent, but also mental stress is as well. Author Melissa Maldonado, who is an outreach coordinator for a group that helps patients get the help they need when it comes to mental illnesses, wrote a really good article talking about the mental effects of when it comes to stress. According to the American Psychological Association's latest stress survey, 66% of people experience physical stress, where 63% do psychological stress. So mental symptoms would be anxiety, depression, insomnia, even headaches and irritability. So here is just a picture of kind of a routine of how stress would occur. So if you have feelings of worry and you get stressed out, then it causes you to have a lack of sleep. Lack of sleep causes you to be tired, which can impair your daily tasks that you do every day. And when that happens, it causes you to have a lower self-esteem, and it's just a circle if stress is not reduced. So even though mental and physical stress can be hard on your body, you gotta realize that there are ways that you can control it. So some examples of ways to kind of reduce stress on you. You can start with exercise or even just doing simple supplements. Some examples would be green tea, valerian, or even lemon balm. They all have antioxidants or anti-anxiety ingredients that help reduce that. Even just surrounding yourself with loved ones or listening to soothing music have studies where they have helped reduce stress. Carrie Ann Jennings, who is a health coach and registered dietitian, kind of wrote an article giving some more examples, including aromatherapy and deep breathing, meditation, or even just talking to a therapist as well. These can all just kind of reduce your stress. So the bottom line is, stress is a very common thing. It's something that many people deal with. Myself personally, I do as well. Even though it can be a lot, you just got to know that there's a way to reduce the pressure. And it's important to remind yourself that there are ways that you can reduce stress and you can prevent from having these serious health risks.